Hello. Today I'll show you the easiest way to update drivers on Windows 11. Step 1, open Device Manager and select Device. Right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, you will see categories like Display, Camera, Audio, etc. Choose the device you want to update and right-click on it. Step 2, update driver automatically. Click Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online for the best available driver and install it if found. If the best driver is already installed, a message will appear. Step 3, update driver manually if needed. If automatic update doesn't work, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the folder where you saved the downloaded driver or choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer to select manually. Install the available driver to test compatibility. You can repeat these steps for sound, storage, network devices, etc. Keeping all drivers updated improves overall system stability and performance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.